Well, sir, third strength niya.
Okay, sa third strength po natin dito kasi we cater all segment of the market.
Wow,
When we say
gusto ko
segment
yan.
of the market, not only Claremont kasi is not only cater a house and lot package.
Okay.
We have also the lot package.
Yep.
Kaya depende sa kliyente what they preferred, if they want the lot only or the house and lot package. Okay?
Wow.
So parang pagpasok mo dito, hindi ka pwedeng hindi ka makapag-decide bago ka lumabas.
Correct.
Kasi we have the lot, we have the house and lot.
Oo.
Okay? So yun po yung isang natin with advantage natin with other developers pa.
Correct. So, meaning to say, yun nga sir, client, meron siyang options to
Yes.
choose from the available type of property.
Yes, that's correct, sir.
Meron kasing mga certain types of client na gusto lot only lang so that they could build their own design. But sometimes, like yung mga ibang OFWs, they don't have like connection with the contractors and ayaw nila lang mahassle when it comes to dealing with architect engineers. They opt to choose instead yung sa house and lot
Yes,
package
the house and lot
natin.
package natin.